Hi class, let's take a look at example of 5. So in this particular one, they want us to change days to seconds. So I'm going to start with 4 days. And technically the conversion is going to be that, well, 1 day, it has 24 hours. And then 1 hour has 60 minutes. And then, actually that's it. No, let me see, 60 minutes. And then 1 minute has 60 seconds. Okay, so let me start canceling the units. So we're looking at days cancel, hours cancel, minutes cancel, and then we're left with the following. So this is going to be equivalent to the values of 4 times technically 24 times the values of 60 times 60, and this will be seconds. So please evaluate, and we're going to end up with a very large value here. So this is equal to 4 times 24 times 60 times 60, and I'm looking at 345,000. So 300, oops. So 345, and then the next value was 600. Let me double check. 345,600, and this will be seconds. And let me rewrite it. So 4 days is equivalent to 345 600 seconds. That's actually it for problem 5. Let's move on to problem 6. And in problem 6, we're going from hours to minutes. And careful on this one because it's asking for 0.28 hours. So 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. And within the cancellation, this one cancels, and we're simply left with the values of 0.28 times the values of 60. And this is just gonna be, well, 16, it's an 8. Okay, let me double check it. But I think that's it. So it'll be 0.28 times the values of 60. Okay, 16.8. And this will be minutes. And let me just rewrite it as 0.28 hours is the same as 16.8 minutes. Okay, let's move on to problem 7. And they want us to express years to days. So in this case, let me start with 5 years. And then, well, 1 year is equivalent to 365 days. So multiplying these two, This is going to be a 5 and then a 2 and an 18th days. Let me check it. So 5 times 365, 1825 days. And let me just rewrite it as 5 years. Is equivalent to 1,825 days. Okay, let's move on to problem number 8. And then on this one, we're looking at 30 years. So 1 year is equivalent to 12 months. And in the cancellation, we're left with the values of 30 times the values of 12 months. So in this case, it's going to be 360. And let me just double check it. So 30 times the values of 12. Wait, it's 30 times 12. Okay, 360. Okay, and let me rewrite it as 30 months, actually 30 years is equivalent to 360 months. That's actually it for these set of problems. We'll do the other ones on another video.